Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Today we'll be building a small form factor gaming PC in a 11-liter mini ITX case. This is the 11.3-liter Geeek Case G1 SE, which they sent to me a little over 2 months ago now. This video is way overdue for the same reason that many of you are facing for the last 1 year. I couldn't get a right GPU to fit in this case. Finally, 2 weeks ago, ASUS sent in the ROG Strix RTX 3060 for another shoot, which means I have a few days to play with the card and try to fit it in this case, and voila, it fits exactly like it should. Before we start building, I'll go through briefly on the parts that I've used for this build. The motherboard that I'm going to be using here is the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z590 ITX TB4 together with the Intel Core i7-11700K. The RAM here is the N-Tech Memory Series 7 Katana RGB 16GB kit. This is the exact same motherboard, CPU and RAM combo that I pulled out from my previous ITX build in this channel. The ID cooling IS47K will not be sufficient to cool down the 11700K, but at the point of filming this video, this is the only low profile cooler that I have, so this will do for now. XPG also sent in some Vento Pro case fans, which is actually a remake of the legendary Nidec Gentle Typhoon fans. We'll be using 4 of them in this build. Powering this build will be the Cooler Master SFX V850 power supply. Last but not least, these high quality custom power supply cables are provided by Sleeve Mod. Alright, without further ado, let's build.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Yep, after installing everything, in the end I just realized that one of the top case fans is actually in the way of the GPU power cables. So I had to swap it out with Noctua 120mm slim fans, but I didn't film that part. It was getting late. I was too tired to film that part of swapping the fans anyway. In the end of the day, this is part of the challenges of building in a small form factor case, right? You gotta find the right component, the right size, and sometimes parts may not fit and it may not match. So I wouldn't say this is a bad thing, but rather you need to embrace on all these challenges if you are going into small form factor builds. Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.